guess where I am? Any answers yet? I'm actually in John O'Groats. It's a flying visit because I've got here just before 9 o'clock in the morning. My bus is at 20 past 10 and I've got one bus to catch back at Inverness. So, yeah, I'm finally here. I've been wanting to come here for many years now. So I thought I'll bring you along and yeah, let's see what's around. By the looks of it, not much is open until 10 o'clock, which of course I won't be able to show you because my bus is at 20 past 10, so yeah, I'm hoping that I can quickly nip to a gift shop to at least get a magnet. So yeah, let's have a look, shall we? Right, you've got a sticker board there. So of course this is the famous signpost. So okay, it's over there. We've got Land's End, which you can see in a future video. If I can, I'll post it now on the link. So yeah, that is the signpost. Got John O'Groats Cafe there. Then you got nomadic holders of John O'Groats. Go. Got the first and last gift shop. Yeah. No bits. Puffins. And then you've got the visitor experience shop, tour and brewery. Again, like I said, it's not open till 10, I think. Just double check the times. Yeah, 10 o'clock. So yeah. And then you've got John O'Groats Trails start 147 miles. So we're up to Ness of Duncansby. Let's have a look quickly. I've got my case over there. So Pentland Frith. Duncansby Head, Lighthouse Foghorn. So right, that's the Foghorn. Story of John O'Groats. And the memorial to lives lost at sea. Yeah. See. And quite a good day today, is it? Like it's spitting. But yeah. We've got this beautiful little hand-carved bench, a Highland cow, yeah. Got this place, nearly 9:30 and that looks open. Oh, it's open at 9, that's why. So, like, gift shop. Looks like the cafe's open now. We've got a tourist office that's open. So every Thursday they've got a story walk at 4 o'clock. Meet at the signpost. There's your parking. Let's see how much parking is over here. £3.50 per vehicle per day. That's a good price. And then you got a bus stop there, which that's how I came. You got charging, electric car charging points there as well. So you've got information, plans and development. So yeah. Oh. And you got, like I said, tourist information there and gift shop. See if there's anything. So there's your book prices. And regarding your coastal walk, you got these little signs. Husband for sale, not included. A bike on the road, his wife lives here. And the heart's slightly older in other places. As you go to see this map, you go. So you've got your shops. More information here. Taxi service, story walks, Kate Ralph. Right, and then you got the toilets here, recycling point there as well. Don't seem as touristy as Land's End. Especially with lampposts, you don't have to pay to have your photo taken by it. Right, Charms of Duncansby. Excuse me. We've got Grotty Bucky gift shop. That's open as well. And you've got a children's slide there and swing. And Christmas shop. Ooh. See what else is down here, shall we? keeps collecting more euros. More gift shops. Yeah. Don't seem to be much of like an actual attraction. It's like just shops. It's windy. So yeah, there's a bit of sale going on as well. These are nice. These glass ones. Closed. Those are the hours. Monday and Friday they're closed, and Sunday other days 12 till 5, sorry. And you've got these paperweights. Nice. And then you've got Groats gifts. Jewelry, giftware, toys, cards, prints, handbags and homeware. And you've got this well thing. Yeah. What's that? Heater or something. It looks like coal or something. Let me know in the comments if you know what that is. So you've got this ice cream and confectionery shop called Flavors. See if they got the prices up there, shall we? There you go. So those are the flavours and your prices. There's drinks, and then your frappes and milkshakes as well. And then you got this Stack's Deli Bakery Coffee House, and that is open from 10 as well until 4. And then you got your whiskey distillery, 8 Doors Distillery, and again that doesn't open till 10. So yeah, this is John O'Groats. So like I said, it don't seem to be like attraction based compared to like Land's End, but it's like I said, they've got a lot of gift shops. So yeah, but no, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget it is free to subscribe as well. You don't pay anything for subscription. So if you do enjoy my videos, I hope that you can give it a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.